Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessicaokolie and today I'm going to be reviewing the Sony microphone and comparing it to the Boya Lavalier microphone. As we all know, the Boya Lavalier microphone is the best wired lavalier mic on the market now as far as I'm concerned. So today I'm going to be comparing it to the Sony microphone. This is for content creators that want to buy the Sony camera or have bought the Sony camera but don't know if they have to buy extra microphone. I'll be comparing both of them to see which one is better and to see if you actually need an extra mic with your Sony camera. And I'm currently using the Sony ZV1 camera. Now so far so good. I've not used any extra microphone, so basically I'm using the microphone that comes with the camera now. In order to compare them properly, I'm going to say the same exact words using the Sony microphone and using the Boya Lavalier mic. So let's go. So I did not consider adding this part to the vlog, but I think it's very important to teach you how to connect your Boya mic with your camera, because I've been trying for the past few minutes now and I wasn't able to get it because I've never used it with a camera before. So I forgot to switch this from phone to camera. I've done that now, but you have to, I hope it's focused, you have to switch it from phone to camera, and you also have to check if the battery is in it. So without the battery, it works on your phone. When you use it with your phone, you don't need a battery, but now that I need to use it with a camera, I need the battery. Yeah, I have to add this battery. This is how it looks like in this direction. Then you roll it back up. Yep. So now let's see which one is better. Hello everyone, Jessie here. I hope you like, subscribe and leave a comment. I love you. Hello everyone, make sure you comment, like and subscribe. I love you. Now I just watched and compared the two clips, and in my opinion I don't think there is much of a difference. As a matter of fact, I feel like the inbuilt microphone in the camera sounds a little bit better, but not much of a difference, and I don't feel like there is a need to put something extra if it's not going to give extra, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend it, especially for sit down videos. If you're going to sit down and the camera is going to be right in front of you, I don't see the point adding an extra microphone if it's not going to do anything extra. You know, it's just buying something that would not really do much for you, especially as a beginner. You don't need to add more cost to your life. But if you're going to be making videos where you would stand a little bit far away, when there is a distance between you and the camera, then I think it would be good to get an external mic like this. But if you only make sit down videos, there is no need to add extra costs to your life. Just use the inbuilt microphone. In my next video, I'm going to be comparing the Boya Lavalier microphone with the K1 microphone that everyone is using. Let me show you this microphone. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified when I post that video if you're interested in it. And I also have other videos for beginner content creators that are just starting YouTubing and content creation. So if you're interested, click here and I will see you in my next video. Bye.